In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new page in Webflow. Whether you're building a new website from scratch or adding a page to your existing project, this is a skill that's integral to making your digital presence more dynamic and comprehensive. So, let's get started. First, we'll open the Pages panel within the Webflow Designer. To do this, simply find the Pages icon on the left-hand menu. You can also take a quick shortcut by pressing the letter P on your keyboard, which will pop the panel open swiftly. This panel is your control center for all things related to pages on your site. Here you can see a list of your current pages and navigate through them effortlessly. Once you're in the Pages panel, let's move on to creating a new page. Look towards the top of the panel and you'll find the Create New Page icon waiting for you. Give it a click. This is your starting gate to set up your new content space. Now that you're set to create, you'll be prompted to name your new page. In the Page Name field, enter a relevant and descriptive title that reflects the content or purpose of the page. This name isn't just for organizational purposes, but can also help in search engine optimization, so it's worth giving some thought to a meaningful name. Let's delve into configuring the page settings, which is an important step in crafting a successful website page. First, you'll notice a field labeled Slug. This is where you customize the URL for the page. A concise and easy-to-read URL can enhance user experience as well as SEO performance, so choose a slug that makes sense for the content of the page. If you're working on a site's primary entry point, you might want to set this page as your home page. All you need to do is select the home page option, establishing this page as the main destination for your visitors. Think about access control for this page too. Decide whether you want your page to be public or if it should be password protected. While public pages are accessible to everyone, password protected pages offer a layer of privacy for more sensitive content. Moving on to SEO settings, it's vital to configure the title tag and meta description. These elements help search engines understand your page content and influence how your page appears in search results. A compelling title and description can make a significant impact on click-through rates, so be sure to be descriptive yet concise. Once you've configured everything to your satisfaction, it's time to bring your new page to life. Simply click the Create button. Your fresh blank canvas will now show up in the Pages panel, ready and waiting for your design expertise. And there you have it. A brand new page in Webflow, all set up and prepared for you to customize and fill with engaging content.